Ever feel like your body is overreacting to, well, everything? For some people, the answer isn't just in their environment, it's in their genetic predisposition. In this video, we're talking about the KIT gene. Think of this gene as the master switch for your immune system's first responders, the mast cells. When this switch is working right, it keeps your body's defenses in check. But when there's a glitch in the KIT gene, things can get chaotic very quickly. First, let's look at what the KIT gene actually does. The KIT gene provides instructions for making a protein called the KIT receptor. This receptor sits on the surface of certain cells, including mast cells. In a healthy body, a molecule called stem cell factor acts like a key. It fits into the KIT receptor lock, telling the mast cell when to grow, when to multiply, and when to stay alive. This is crucial for healing wounds and fighting infections. However, its most famous role is controlling histamine. Mast cells are like tiny grenades filled with histamine. The KIT gene is essentially the person holding the pin. So what happens when there's a genetic variant or mutation? The most common one is called D816V. In this case, the master switch gets jammed in the on position. The mast cells don't wait for a signal anymore. They just keep multiplying and firing off histamine constantly. This leads to two main health issues. First is systemic mastocytosis, where too many mast cells accumulate in your skin, bone marrow, or digestive tract. Second is Mast Cell Activation Syndrome, or MCAS. Here, cells are normal in number, but are hyper-excitable. They leak too much histamine with the slightest trigger, like stress, heat, fragrances, or even certain foods. Living with a KIT variant can feel like a full-body storm. Common symptoms include skin issues like hives, itching, or sudden flushing. Digestive woes like cramping, bloating, and unpredictable reactions to food. Brain fog, feeling spaced out, or struggling with memory due to neuroinflammation. And in severe cases, the body can go into shock from a massive histamine dump known as anaphylaxis. Over time, we start to notice a loss of tolerance and start reacting to anything and everything, creating a vicious cycle of constant histamine being released and worsening symptoms. Many people go years without realizing the KIT gene is the culprit because symptoms mimic other health issues. The KIT gene is a powerhouse of the immune system, but when it's out of sync, it changes everything. By understanding your genetics, you can get your histamine burden in check. Knowledge is the first step. If you want more information on proper genetic testing to see if you have KIT gene variants and possible mast cell activation, or need your genetics interpreted, you can find more information on our website, www.anhcg.com. Thanks for watching.